If you have a potato and puff pastry at home, I have a simple recipe that will be ready to pop into the oven in no time. With its taste, it will take you to Turkey without traveling. Why I said that? This simple dish tastes like a potato-filled börek or potato mantı, as it is served with yogurt and a pepper sauce. If you haven't tried both recipes, I have them on my channel, so make sure to check them out. Compared to the original ones, using a puff pastry, this recipe is so easy to make. You can serve it as a main dish, side dish or appetizer. I'm sure it will be a new family favorite. First, I'm going to partially boil my potatoes. 3 big size would be enough. I boiled more to use in another recipe. It is still hard, halfway cooked. Just drain and let it cool down. And before I begin to peel, I'm gonna begin sauteing my onions in a wide big pan. Adding some olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or butter if you like. I'm going to saute 2 medium-sized onions. I'm going to peel my potatoes. It will be easier when it is still warm. And grate the potatoes with the coarse side of the grater. It is optional, but I'm gonna flavor my potato filling with some tomato and red pepper paste. About a teaspoon of each. If you don't have, you can use just paprika or red pepper flakes, pul biber, or use whichever you have, only tomato paste. After I get a nice caramelized smell coming from the pastes, I added my shredded potatoes and going to stir and saute for a couple of more minutes. To season the mixture, I'm adding salt, pepper flakes, pul biber and black pepper. Optionally, if you want to give some freshness, you can also add dried mint. Or if you have other ideas to add as a spice, just give it in the comment section. I'm going to let my potato filling cool down before I begin shaping. Take out your frozen puff pastry about at least half an hour before begin to shape, so it will be easier. But it would be better if it is still cold to work easily. I have 9 by 13 inch baking dish. I just oiled. And first cut your puff pastry into 2 pieces, squares, and spread from the potato filling generously. Now cut the square into 3 pieces. I'm using my pizza cutter. And roll each piece. Don't make it too tight. Give some space to the puff pastry to rise. And place it to the baking dish. I'm gonna continue to shape my puff pastries with the potato filling until I fill my pan. I would like to quickly remind that if you are enjoying the video, thinking that it is helpful, make sure to give thumbs up, leave a comment and share my video to support the channel. Thanks in advance. My oven is preheated to 200 Celsius degree. I just lightly oiled the tops and it goes to the oven. My potato-filled puff pastries are almost done. And to serve, I'm gonna make a pepper sauce. Just melting some butter. And after I get some nutty smell, I add paprika. You can use pepper flakes, pul biber again. And I'm also going to serve some plain yogurt with it. It takes about 30-35 minutes to bake. Better to check after you get nice smells, because it can change, depends on the oven. And I lightly whisked the yogurt and drizzled over our easy mantıs or böreğs, we can say. And then the butter sauce comes, which completes it, of course. And finally sprinkle some chopped parsley. As a whole family, we loved it, my friends. It is very practical and delicious. Best eaten the same day while still warm after serving. But as a second option, you can drizzle the yogurt for the ones you're gonna serve and keep the leftover, reheat and enjoy second time. Personally, I love potatoes since from my childhood, as probably many of you. And I have many other recipes made with potatoes. You can check from the links and I'm gonna add a couple of them to the end of the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.